Hello my dears, today I would love to provide you a short tutorial on how to do Bakasana, the crow pose. So if you're ready, grab your mat and let's begin. The first thing to do before doing the crow pose is of course to warm up your abdomen muscles. I also suggest to warm up the chest, the wrists. You can do some stretching movements, rotate the wrist into different directions. Work them out before doing whatever arm balance you are planning to do. However, today we are going to skip this part and we are going to explore how to do the crow pose. Now, remember that I have not straight face. I suggest you to have some kind of floor under you. If you are just a beginner, of course, when you are more experienced, those kinds of surfaces are slightly challenging. It helps to challenge your balance, your abdomen, so it's a little bit funnier. However, don't practice it from the day zero because you can injure yourself. But I love the view, I love the nature. That's why I'm here recording this tutorial, and I think that in the future you will be also be able to arm balancing in whatever place on whatever surface you would like to. So let's do it. The first thing to remember that our hands are really giving us the structure and the support. Especially the support. So we have to flex our fingers and bring the weight to our fingers, fingertips, and the cushions, the balls. And we never should press on our wrists. So we have to be able to be flexible with the wrists, and it shouldn't be never ever overloaded. Otherwise, we will just suffer useless pain. Good. Then when we are lifting ourselves, so the thing which I suggest is to do some forward folds or flexions in order to be able to bring your legs closer to your chest. However, it's not crucial. You can do it also without if you're not that flexible or you don't feel yourself flexible. So we are going to look at the crow pose Bakasana. So we are going to put our knees into the space on above the tricep, and this connection and this grip is extremely important. That shouldn't change throughout all arm balancing in Bakasana. So this moment I think you have to practice by yourself. It's a crucial one, so find like really spend time to play with yourself, lift one leg, lift another leg, and understand the grip where you have to stay. I'm also trying to find the right surface. I think it's here can be nice. So we are going to again find this place, bring your heels up, look forward. The important thing is to find that focal point in front of you and touch your legs. Good. Remain here for as long as you can. Strong with your abdomen. Try again if you fall. And then slowly, nicely go down. Good. You can practice this a little bit. When I did it first times, I used the cushion in front of my head. However, you can try to do it like first 3 times, then I would suggest you to remove the cushion. If you fall, remember that the ground is extremely close. Give your possibility to feel this reaction of your body, because this reaction which brings you back into the pose, this reaction which activates your muscles in order to push you back into your previous position, works on the muscles which are very useful and very needed to develop the force in Bakasana, because usually we don't use these abdomen muscles. Okay? When you're ready, let's try it once again. And if you're already an expert, we are going to jump in Chaturanga Dandasana. I removed some stones because it's a bit challenging also for me. Okay, let's do it. Remember focal points, the grip, the hands. Breathe in, breathe out, and then to find your balance again, breathe in. And breathe normally. Don't limit yourself into the breathing. Like breathe normally. When you're ready, breathe in into Chaturanga Dandasana. Exhale, inhale into the upward facing dog. And exhale into the downward facing dog. Good. I hope this tutorial was useful. I know that maybe you didn't succeed from the first time, from the first try. However, don't be discouraged. It took me, I think, around 5 months to become confident with this pose. And then I practice it and practice it, and I introduce different elements. Now I'm learning to bring my leg up, and I'm still not succeeding because I think I need to develop more strength in different muscles. Don't be discouraged. You are doing great. That you are today on your mat is a good sign. You have to be proud of yourself. One day you will turn on this video and you will do all the sequence with me. And meanwhile, I wish you love and happiness, and see you next. Namaste.